The SPI resin identification coding system is a set of symbols placed on plastics to identify the polymer type. It was developed by the Society of the Plastics Industry in 1988, and is used internationally. The primary purpose of the codes is to allow efficient separation of different polymer types for recycling. Separation must be efficient because the plastics must be recycled separately. Even one item of the wrong type of resin can ruin a mix. The symbols used in the code consist of arrows that cycle clockwise to form a rounded triangle and enclosing a number, often with an acronym representing the plastic below the triangle. When the number is omitted, the symbol is known as the universal recycling symbol, indicating generic recyclable materials. In this case, other text and labels are used to indicate the material, used. Previously recycled resins are coded within a prefix. The number does not indicate how hard the item is to recycle, nor how often the plastic was recycled. It is an arbitrarily assigned number that has no other meaning aside from identifying the specific plastic. The Unicode character encoding standard includes the resin identification codes, between code points U+2673 and U+2679 inclusive in the miscellaneous symbols block. The generic material recycling symbol is encoded as code point U+267A. Table of resin codes, source, availability of recycling facilities. Use of the recycling symbol in the coding of plastics has led to ongoing consumer confusion about which plastics are readily recyclable. In many communities throughout the United States, PETE and HDPE are the only plastics collected in municipal recycling programs. Some regions, though, are expanding the range of plastics collected as markets become available. Possible new codes. In 2007, a state Senate bill in California proposed adding a zero code for compostable polylactic acid. However, this provision of the bill was removed before passage. See also, linear low-density polyethylene, list of symbols, references. External links. Recycling symbols for plastics has symbols used in plastics recycling available in various formats for use in graphics and packaging. Your Recycling Condor is information from Co-op America about what really happens when plastic is recycled. Resin codes from the American Chemistry Council.